Hi there, and welcome to the video. Today I'll walk you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to use MailerLite. It's simple to get started, and if you want to follow along, check out the link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or log into your account right away. Created your account and verified your email, you'll be welcomed by MailerLite's intuitive dashboard. Now it's time to design your first campaign. MailerLite offers pre-made templates and a drag-and-drop editor, making it simple to create beautiful emails. Automation is one of MailerLite's standout features. You can create workflows that trigger based on specific actions, like when a subscriber joins your list or clicks a link. Tracking your email performance is easy with MailerLite's analytics. You'll get insights on open rates, click-through rates, and more, allowing you to tweak your strategies for maximum impact. MailerLite offers a free plan that includes up to 1,000 subscribers and 12,000 emails per month. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thank you for watching our videos. Your support means everything to us.